Mr. Abu Bakar, Chairman, Workplace Safety and Health Council. Sister Tana, President, National Trades Union Congress. Tripartite and industry partners. ASEAN, AUSHNET delegates and international partners, ladies and gentlemen. Very good morning to all of you and welcome to the Singapore Workplace Safety and Health or WSH Conference 2024. My humble apologies that I cannot join you in person as I'm currently overseas for work. You may remember that our last WSH conference in 2022 was held amidst the heightened safety period. Thankfully, through our collective efforts, we have seen an improvement in our WSH performance over the past 2 years. In 2023, Singapore achieved a record low fatal injury rate of below 1 per 100,000 workers. It is a commendable achievement, putting us among the best in the world. But this does not mean we have arrived. Sustaining this level of WSH performance will require our continued commitment and focus. 3 things are essential. They are alignment, boldness, collaboration. In short, the ABC for good WSH. First, alignment. As reflected in the theme of this year's conference, WSH excellence is aligned with business success. Good WSH must mean better business opportunities. The public sector has taken the lead on this. As of April this year, WSH requirements for public sector projects were harmonized so that tenderers that place greater emphasis on safety have a better chance of clinching government contracts. For large government projects, we also reward contractors with good WSH performance via the WSH bonus scheme. This cash payout should then be shared with workers to create a virtuous cycle that encourages everyone in the worksite to prioritize their own safety and advocate WSH for others. Today, I'm pleased to share that the Workplace Safety and Health Council, or the WSH Council, has partnered with large industry players in the private sector who are prepared to similarly reward and incentivize safer contractors under the WSH Advocate Programme. Kudos to our first 15 Queen Bees for leading the charge in making safety a core business goal. They span across construction, manufacturing, and transport industries and will be the catalysts for progressive WSH practices in the private sector. PCS Private Limited, a WSH advocate in the essential chemicals industry, shares that it looks at a potential contractor's WSH accreditation, capabilities, and track record to decide if they are qualified to be among the approved contractors. PCS also provides contractors, many of whom are SMEs, with regular in-house WSH training and engages them regularly through the PCS Complex Contractors Association. For contractors with good health, safety, and environmental performance, PCS rewards them with monetary bonuses and yearly awards and celebrates safety achievements together. Well done, PCS. Now, I will now talk about the B in our ABC of WSH excellence. We must be bold in seeking out better practices and adopting new solutions. Technology is a game changer. On the government's part, we are boldly spurring companies on to adopt technology. For instance, construction sites with a contract value of $5 million and above have been required to introduce video surveillance systems since 1st of June this year. There were initial concerns about costs and privacy, but after extensive industry consultations, we decided that the benefits outweighed the drawbacks. I call on companies management to be bold in experimenting with new and perhaps less mature solutions too. And I commend those who took the initiative to embed artificial intelligence in their video surveillance system implementation or video analytics to detect and alert WSH hazards. This was not part of the requirements, but it reflects a willingness to break new ground for better results. Another example is the use of advanced driver assistance system and proximity sensors that could reduce vehicular incidents, one of the top causes of fatal injuries. Many more of such technologies can be explored to save lives and limbs. Last but not least, in our ABC is collaboration. A collaborative mindset drives collective ownership of WSH outcomes across all stakeholders in Singapore and across international boundaries. Over the next 2 days, Singapore will host the annual meeting of the ASEAN Occupational Safety and Health Network, or ASEAN OSHNet. This is an important platform for regional cooperation in strengthening occupational safety and health. As part of the ASEAN OSHNet meeting, Singapore will conduct a policy dialogue to discuss the nexus between OSH and evolving business trends. We have observed greater emphasis and scrutiny on companies' global supply chains. Increasingly, more companies from ASEAN's major trading partners, such as the EU, are looking to contract with suppliers with good WSH practices. A robust regional WSH ecosystem will help ASEAN remain an attractive region for trade and investment. It will also be a competitive advantage for firms in ASEAN. If we can work collaboratively to find solutions to our OSH challenges, our workers will be kept safer. Our companies will benefit and our region will prosper together. In conclusion, I would like to thank everyone for playing your part to improve our WSH performance. We must entrench a culture of WSH excellence, as it is a competitive advantage for business growth and a moral commitment to our workers and their families. I wish everyone a fruitful session today. Stay safe and prosper. Thank you.